everyone! Welcome to this tutorial where we will guide you on how to download TikTok videos without Watermark. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, open the TikTok app on your device. Then find or search the video you want to download. Tap on Share icon from here. Copy the link of the video from Option. Now go back to your screen. Note you need to install an application SnapTalk from Play Store or App Store. After installing, open the SnapTalk app. Paste the link of the video you copied and tap on No Watermark. Your video will be downloaded in some seconds without watermark. That's it! Now you can easily download the TikTok videos without watermark. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload. See you in the next one.